Sometimes on X or Twitter, you may receive some notifications in your email regarding tips about X, but if you don't want these kinds of notifications, you can disable them. In this video, we'll be telling you how to disable this type of notifications. For this, open the X application. After that, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. And here you can see Notifications. Click on Notifications. When you are clicking on that, here you can see Preferences. Click on Preferences. And here you can see Email Notifications. Click on Email Notifications. When you are clicking on that, here you can see Email Notification. It is turned on. If you don't want any email notifications, you can just disable that. Or if you want to only disable tips about X, here you can see From X option. Under that you can see tips on getting more out of X. Sometimes it will be turned on. In that case, you need to disable that. After that, you will not get this type of notifications. So this way you can easily disable this kind of notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.